Hello YouTube, I Fix It All here, Team I Fix It All. Let's do a follow-up on the rocket stove. Let me show you how I solved my keeping moisture out of the block. Got a road sign, a grill. There you go. So I riveted down some sheet metal, and since I know this wasn't level, it's a little low on this side and a wee bit high on this side, rain will walk down this way acting like shingles and run off. And this rocket stove works really well. Look at my previous videos, but I guess the main contributing factor here is, and notice how I banked it with all the spare dirt I had that I'd rooted out. The main contributing factor here is that the distance the air travels in is the width of one block, but the air has to go up the height of 2 blocks to get out. So I believe that there's a certain amount of convection that's created. That's why this thing is working so well. I mean, it's a beast. It produces a lot of heat, and I don't burn much wood. And flames will never be touching the block anymore with this galvanized roofing that'll last however long it lasts, and it's easy enough to replace. And I've got this here as a useful piece of something, just in case I need to grill on something. It needs cleaned up. This is supposed to live its life when I'm trying to knock off for the evening and all the coals are in there. This will keep the coals from trying to blow out. I wish it was bigger. And this will help keep the rain out, which goes on top of my wash tub, which conveniently store right there, one over top of another on the side of my woodshed. And I got an extra grill here if I need something. Go. That's how I ended up keeping rainwater out of the block and keeping moisture out of the block work. Alrighty guys, enjoy that rocket stove and build you one. This will move all your canning outdoors. You can water bath or pressure cook right on this. I've already proven it out, and the past videos are proof positive this works. And if nothing else, you've got a way to cook something if you so choose. Turn it into a little grill or whatever. All right, we'll see you. Bye. We're supposed to be saying bye, but it won't shut off. I need a thumbnail. There we go. There we go. Alrighty. See ya. Bye. This thing won't